It really means so much to just bring people together in person to talk about child welfare, to talk about these important issues related to Title IV-E.
It's a talk that's been 3 years in the making.
So in May of 2020, we were all set into about March. We had people registered, people were buying plane tickets, we were all set, and then the pandemic happened. So we shut it down. But last year in May, what we did is we set up a completely free virtual conference.
Finally, this week, 250 people were able to come to Bowling Green for the National Four-E Roundtable for Child Welfare Training and Education.
Partners across the country gather at different locations each year. They connect, they share, they meet, and they really work together to build partnerships so they can help families and children.
It's also been a unique opportunity for graduate students Alicia Hatfield and Lindsay Powell.
Even the opportunity to speak at a conference like this is just huge, you know, and as an undergrad student, I never would have, in my wildest dreams, thought I would be doing that kind of thing.
And being able to kind of help and assist has just been a great opportunity for me to grow and then to kind of learn how the behind the scenes go.
Professionals leveraging resources and having conversations about evidence-based approaches when it comes to child welfare.
It's always been something I've been passionate about, showcasing what we do and how we do it, but also bringing people to our beautiful state and university.
With this week's View from the Hill, I'm Amy Bingham.